It's rolling. Okay.
Ready? Ready?
Want me first?
Yeah.
Or
you come in first.
Me?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex here. I'm with Kelly and Mike's in the background, but we're gonna be making something new. What are we doing?
Chocolate cake.
We're making a chocolate cake. What else are we doing with the chocolate cake? We're making chocolate in here. We'll show you. We'll show you.
We'll show you.
It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Whoa!
Not even. That's your thing, girl.
You know what we should do? We should take this, right? Put the cake batter in here.
Wait,
and then what?
Isn't this two?
I didn't know.
Are you sure marshmallows are vegan? I don't understand.
No, I got vegan ones.
Yeah,
Look.
but how is it possible marshmallows are vegan?
Everything can be vegan.
What are they made of? Soy protein? Oh.
So these are all the ingredients we're using for this recipe. I'll put the link of the recipe we're following down below. Thanks, guys. Today we're gonna make a chocolate cake, but I guess it's not really chocolate cake, it's like more like
Chocolate cupcakes.
Cupcakes, I guess. And we're gonna be adding like marshmallow and strawberry. Obviously, this is all vegan, gluten-free.
Cake dipped strawberries.
Write that down. Are you guys ready for this? I don't know if you're ready for this.
BGGF.
Freaking yeah, okay. We're doing all this straight out of plans. Just so everyone knows. Yeah, let's freaking get into this, right? Sure. Whoa!
We need cocoa powder. Oh, Alex, I can't.
Alright, we got the baking so tight. What are we gonna put in first?
3 cups of oat flour.
3 cups. Okay, hold that for a second. Let me get the cups out. The measure up. It smells like so good. Oh! Oh! Just put a spill on it.
You're good.
Yum, yum. So a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder.
BGGF.
Wait, gotta hold. You're just slapping the side.
2 teaspoons of baking soda.
That's a teaspoon.
Like get a spoon.
No. Honestly, I don't know why we thought a teaspoon was a tablespoon, but this is where we messed up the whole thing. So come for us in the comments, please, because we deserve it. We got a teaspoon of sugar. Go down.
Your
Sure.
viewers will know what that is.
The 2 of those.
Wait. Yeah.
We are actually so dumb.
Wait, what is this? Oh yeah.
Why am I here?
A half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Probably good enough.
Yeah, what? Wait, I just want to show them. They can't see. This is what we're working with. We're gonna mix all the dry ingredients up right now. Let's do it. You got this, girl. You got these.
Krusty Krab pizza for you and me. Back to business now. 1/4 cups of water.
Water. Yes.
Cup of non-dairy milk.
Yeah, we're using almond milk. Haters gonna hate on my almond milk.
That might need a little rinse. 1/4 cups. What the? Melted coconut oil. So you will need to melt that in the microwave.
Oh, jeez. Open this
Why is
up.
the almond milk blue? It's not blue. Oh, there's like an almond on the side in there.
There's an almond on the side.
There's physical almonds in the milk.
See, this is how the pros do it. They don't melt the almond.
Yeah, they do. Like a cow. They gotta squeeze the milk out of the almond.
You know how to make almond milk?
No. They squeeze the milk out like
I'll
a cow.
show you sometime. Wait, this?
Cut. I know how to make almond milk. Uncut. Well, it's proper etiquette, folks. To wash your hands before you stop baking.
We're obviously pros at this.
Plastic on the floor. You live like swine. I don't know.
I think we're losing our minds a little bit. Kelly, how much are we supposed to put?
Okay, that's good, bro.
Okay, let me smell that.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't blow up the house.
Okay, while that's cooking. Ah! Coconut sugar.
Where's that? We're so good at baking.
That smells terrible.
What does that smell like? That smells like something. Moo! Okay, you wanna do the honors? Alright.
Is it melted?
Oh, that's a hot.
Dude, don't use your hands! Ow!
Whole Foods, sponsor me, please.
Yes, please. What's going on? Oh, yeah. Okay. We need some maple syrup.
What was that?
That was so stupid.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Half a cup of maple syrup is next. Ah!
Whoa.
Ah! Throwing that in there.
Teaspoons, so you will need a regular spoon.
A spoon.
Dude, I'm sorry.
And 20 years later, Kelly remembers what a teaspoon is.
Wait, teaspoons are smaller! That's a tablespoon! I think we did it wrong! Tablespoon are the big ones. Teaspoons are the tiny ass little
Oh
ones.
my gosh. We're gonna look like dumb in the video.
Teaspoons of baking soda? That won't matter.
Surprisingly, it does end up mattering.
Teaspoons, that's fine.
We are so
Of melted coconut oil, we may have put too much coconut oil.
What do we do?
It's fine now, there's nothing to do.
Do we just
We just
balance
need
it all out?
to do like we don't want the damn thing to taste like vanilla, so we'll need to actually do teaspoon.
That's easy to eyeball. Sorry, I'm just trying to open it right now. We're literally having moments of like where we lose all our common sense. But it's okay. What? What?
Oh.
Who cares? Who cares, honestly?
Okay.
That's like minor details. Maybe we skipped a few minor details.
What is this for?
What do you mean?
I think this is for the frosting. I don't think we even need that, Alex. I'm serious. I'm so confused. I think that's the. Wait, what the frick makes the cake batter? Add wet ingredients to dry. Okay, that's where it says I missed it.
Okay, we're gonna put the dry ingredients in the bowl, the bigger bowl. Okay, it's all in there. Perfect. Yeah! That is freaking amazing. That's so genius. Sorry, I had to like figure that out. We're crazy.
No, bad idea. No.
Wait,
no,
wait,
no.
what are you doing?
It's not working.
Let me do it. Don't worry, we got this, guys. Coming hot. Holy Kelly.
What? What?
You need to spray the pan.
Oh my god!
So we are actual idiots because we didn't spray the pan before we poured everything in there. So, I don't know what to tell you. This is gonna be like the worst fail video ever. This has just turned into a fail video.
In case you can't see what she's doing, she currently poured a tiny little bit of batter into a little hole in the pan. And she got a paper towel and wiped it out.
I don't know what to do anymore.
There is still some residue. You must clean it or it will burn.
We did not fill this one all the way out, but we filled the smaller one.
Stop eating the sorry. You little
Okay.
Stop spitting. What the hell is it gonna look like?
I'm sorry that we're like disappointing all the vegans out there, but Kelly, I swear.
I try not to. It's too big. Just leave it. Have you never used an oven?
No! Guys, I think they're ready. Hallelujah, baby. Oh my god! I just touched the bin. Okay.
Are you okay? Did it burn you?
No, I'm fine.
Look at this. This one just engulfed that
It
strawberry.
just scared me. Guys, this is freaking beautiful. I'm so proud.
Where that overflowed.
I know. Okay, we're gonna wait for these to cool down. And then we got our frosting ready. One.
Oh, oh.
Ah! Guys, we're really dumb because we didn't put spray on the pan. Like, who does that? Okay, we're gonna try to get all these on the plate. Let's like watch this disaster. And we're using a pumpkin cutter. Why are we using a pumpkin cutter to do this? Gosh, Kelly, what's wrong with us?
A lot of things.
What do we do?
It'll only take off the top. That's just how it's gonna be.
It's like the saddest thing of my life. Kelly, hit the bottom. Oh, that one came out pretty good. We're gonna do our first taste test here. Okay, I'm gonna try it first. Oh my gosh, it's already falling apart in my hand. That's so bad.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, 'cause you did.
Oh my god, that's horrible!
Holy shit, that's so bad. Oh, we try another one. We try this. Ew.
There's like chemicals.
What did we do? Why am I here?
What? No. Oh my god.
She just threw up in the trash can. I'm just like hoping every time I eat it'll taste better.
It tastes like chemicals.
That one's coming back.
I'm seeing my head.
Oh my gosh, cut the camera. We're both dying. Look, and then we didn't spray the pan either.
Burnt it.
They're not burnt. That's how they're supposed to look.
Because it's super dark chocolate.
Yeah.
But we didn't spray the pan so they couldn't even come out anyway.
Are you
Want to
doing
get
it?
your raw reaction.
Dude, it's gonna taste.
Try this one. Some of them.
Do not eat that strawberry in it.
Why?
Because it makes it taste even worse.
It's some
With the frosting, okay? It just fell apart.
Oh my god, that was horrible.
Wait, let me try. No!
burnt it.
It honestly would have tasted better burnt. Alright guys, obviously that was an epic fail and we should not be bakers. If you enjoyed the video anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Can't stop, won't stop, move.
You got me. For those of you that don't know, is freaking nuts. And I mean, just the other day, a bomb was discovered by her work, and she works at.
Don't tell them where I work! Are you insane?